Hello. Hello, ma'am. How can I help you? I am looking for frock suits. Sure. You can find them on the second floor. Thank you. Hello, ma'am. Can I help you with anything? Actually, I'm not able to choose any suit. I understand. What kind of design are you looking for? I'm not sure. I want something elegant and comfortable. Okay. Let me show you a few options. Sure. How about this one? It's nice, but I already have a similar one. No problem. Let me show you another one. This one is new and very popular. Wow! It looks beautiful. Would you like to try it on? Yes, please. The trial room is over there. How does it look? I like it. But I think it's a little expensive. Yes, it's a premium collection. Do you have something more affordable? Sure. This one is on sale today. Really? Yes. And the quality is very good. I like this one too. Great. I'll take this one. Wonderful choice. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Have a great day. You too.